So this is Sarah Coeur. This is the kitchen table that I decorated for Christmas. And our fire. And a big huge open hearth. And now going through, here's the dog, through to the living room. And there's also a wood burning stove here. Then we go out, there's a door out. And this is the side yard of the first house. It's been very, very cold. And then this is the view. Walking down. And this is the back to the front door. That's the second house, and you can't see the third house, but it's next to that one. Panorama.